guys, it's me Vanessa, and in this video I'm going to show you this nail product that I bought. It's called DipWell and it's pretty much just dip powder that you can do yourself. I got this because I'm trying to start doing my own nails. I actually removed the dip powder that I had on before this morning, but yes, so now I have a blank canvas, and this is the product, DipWell Easy Acrylic Dip System. So I bought this. It's a kit. It comes with everything in it. And then I also bought this separately. It's the regular powder, but I got it in like a yellow color. So I'm gonna open the box. I haven't even touched it. So let's open this. There we go. All right. So the packaging is really cute. Inside it says, dip it real good. And it comes with a bunch of different files. This cuticle pusher thing, and then this is everything inside. So there's step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and then there's also a brush softener. And in this pack it came with white, the base, so you put this in before and after, and then the color sheer pink, which I probably won't use very much, but this was the cheapest kit that you can get. You can make your own kit, but if you want to use the 10% off that you get when you sign up, you can only use it on the pre-existing kit packages. But I did end up getting the yellow one because it all came out to still cheaper than buying the kit full price, because I wanted to do yellow. It's my favorite color. And it also comes with these directions, and it goes step by step exactly how you're supposed to do it. So I'm gonna switch into a different angle so you can actually see me applying it. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the other angle. Okay, so we're at a different angle now. These are my nails, and this is what I'm working with right now. I did have to put a tip on my thumb because it was shorter than the rest. So I'm going to be using this color today, the yellow. It is CL66. One, shape and buff the nails. Okay, so my nails are all buffed now. So the first step is to apply bond. So this is what it looks like right here. And then after that, I want you to apply the base. So I'm gonna apply this to all of them. So I'm just gonna do this hand first, and then I'll do the other hand off camera. So the bond is on. So now it wants us to do the base. Okay, so that's number 2. It said avoid getting it anywhere besides the nail. And then I just dip it in. I have this e.l.f. brush to dust off any excess. And then I just apply it to the rest of the nails. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I will show you what it looks like. Now I did the first coat of the base, and now I'm gonna do the actual color. So I'm going to just make sure it's all brushed off really well. And now I'm going to go into the yellow, which I'm very excited about. Now I'm dipping it in the yellow. Now I'm gonna dust it off. So there is the first layer. And I'm gonna go in and do a second layer in just a minute and just keep going. And I'm gonna do the other 3 nails off camera and then come back when it's time to do a second layer. Okay, so before, after, just 1 layer. And now I'm gonna go in and add a second layer. They don't look that great yet, but once we start building on the color more, it'll look much better. Oops. So now I'm going to do a third layer and show you the results after that. Okay, so I did the third layer. I didn't brush them off. You can see it's all over. So I'll start brushing them off to see what the third layer looks like. I mean, it's definitely more pigmented than before. That is with 3 layers. Now I think it looks pretty good. I think I want to go over the thumb a little bit, but other than that, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. And then after this, I'm gonna go in and do the base and finish again, just to top it off. And then I'm gonna move on to the last steps. There we are. I added 1 more layer, and now I'm gonna go in and finish off with the base and finish. So I am putting in number 2 again. And this will seal in all the powder together. So now that the powder is all on, we can do the activator. So I'm just gonna close this up. So number 3, activator. And now with this, I feel like the more the better, because it really sets it in. Okay, so the activator is on, and now we can start filing. I'm gonna start filing off camera, and I will show you what it looks like before and then after. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick check-in and show you what it looks like after filing. Like before, after, before, after. So yeah, I'm gonna file the rest of these and then finish up. Okay, so they're all filed now. They're the shape that I like. And I really like this file because it is very heavy duty, so you don't need an electric file. And now obviously my cuticles look horrible because I've been filing away because I'm very picky about my shape, but that's my fault. So now I'm gonna do the activator and see if I need to refile, if I need to adjust anything. And the thing about dip is it's obviously never gonna be a full saturated consistent color because it's a powder. So you have to take into account that if you're thinking about getting it, it's not gonna be the perfect gel look, but I kind of like how this looks. And I like it because the actual nail is the color, so no matter how much you file it, it's still gonna be there. You can't really file gel because it'll peel right off. So the activator is on, and now I'm going to check and see if anything needs to be filed or if they look good. I'm probably gonna go in and just fix a couple things, but then when I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do the sealer. Okay, they're all filed now. I think they look perfect, nice and smooth. And now I'm gonna go in and put the activator in again, since I filed it again. Now, obviously, it goes without saying, I am not a nail tech. I know nothing about nails. I just know from going to the salon myself what they do. So I've just been following their steps mostly. Like, I've been looking at the instructions, but I know from memory usually what steps go in order. But if you've never gone to the salon or you don't really know what you're doing, I would follow the instructions to a T. And now at this point, you would go and wash your hands, and then you would put in the sealer, and that is what gives it the shine. Okay, so I just washed my hands. They're good to go. Ignore my cuticles again. They're a little rough, but that's fine. And now I'm going to do the sealer. So we're gonna do 1 coat, and this is basically the top coat. So pretty. This is probably the easiest part, but I do enjoy doing things myself, so it's fine. Okay, so there's the first coat. It says allow 3 minutes to dry and then put on a second coat. Okay, I put on the second coat and this is the final look. It was a lot of work, but fun and fairly simple. Just be careful with your cuticles because I messed up mine, but you know, that's just me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna do this hand off camera. I'm not gonna bother showing you because you saw this one, but yeah, so before and after. Thank you for watching.